Perimeter light 4. Grounding. Reading. .46 ohms. MTS panel. Genset supply. Line 1, line 2. Reading 219.5 volts. Next, line 1 to ground. Reading 105.3 volts. Next, line 2 to ground. Reading 113.8 volts. Next, MTS to ATS supply. Line 1, line 2. Reading 219.6 volts. Next, line 1 to ground. Reading 113.9 volts. Next, line 2 to ground. Reading 105.3 volts. Perimeter light 3. Grounding. Reading 0.5 ohms. Tower bus bar. Grounding. Reading 0.09 ohms. Perimeter light 3. Grounding testing. Reading 0.32 ohms. Perimeter light 3. Grounding. Perimeter light 2. Grounding testing. Reading.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting bright.
Light 1.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
0.32 ohms. Perimeter light 1. Grounding. Our pedestal grounding. Pedestal 1. Reading 0.30 ohms.